piece that I brought into my psychotherapy practice is neurofeedback, because it helps that limbic brain come out of that fight-flight energy back into that regulated zone and come up out of that freeze response back into regulation. And that's where we can have secure attachment, we can be open, we can connect emotionally with other and feel secure and safe. Does your partner want to improve your relationship but has a hard time opening up, talking, or sharing feelings? If the answer is yes, start the journey to reconnecting by using the Neurofeedback brain training program.